What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. I'm out here with the Bugs 8. So somebody left a comment on the channel asking about the Bugs 8 being able to bind to deviation because they saw me with the Bugs 6 flying it with the T8SG plus, and I answered yes, because essentially this thing is exactly the same as the Bugs 6. The only difference I can see is that one of them had FPV, and basically this canopy really is just a different designed canopy. The Bugs 6, I flew it a couple days ago. I haven't really been out doing too much flying on camera anyhow, but I did have a flight of one of my other quads and now this one. So I'm back at it with this Bugs 8. The FPV module is not in this one either. The last Bugs 6 that I was flying, the Bugs 6 had a funny sound to it. I don't know what was going on with it. Hopefully this one is okay, this Bugs 8 here, because I haven't flown this thing in ages. Since I first got it, I don't think I have flown this thing. Basically, this is a Bugs 6 with a different canopy, guys. That's what I think anyhow. I don't see any difference as far as the build or anything. Everything appears to be the same. So let's get this guy up in the air. Flying it with the T8SG. So it didn't bind upon me turning on the Devo, well, the T8SG, but let's see. I hit the bind button and the lights went off. I don't know why the light went off, but let's see. Okay, the light goes off when you're not flying. So as you can see, this thing is flying. It has the same deep pitch. No weird sounds with her. And she's fast. Should be fast. She's brushless. Let's see how she likes flips. Okay. She developed a little lean after that flip there. Let's see. Okay, she's cool. Sheesh. I don't want to get too crazy with her because we have these cars passing by over there. As you can see, the pitch is very deep. Check it out. Sheesh. She almost points directly down to the ground. Let's try some flips again. Oh yeah, she develops a lean after she does the flips. So I'm not going to get too crazy with her out here, guys, because we have that busy highway right there, or that busy street rather. And she develops a serious lean after you do a flip with her. I gotta get my Bugs 3 out and see if I can get it to pull off a manual flip, because if I remember correctly, I was never able to get the Bugs 3 to do a manual flip. But the Bugs 6 and this Bugs 8 seems to do it no problem, aside from that lean thing that it does. And I don't have flips activated on it. So she can do some killer funnels. And I'm not even pitched all the way on those funnels. Let's try a full pitch funnel. A full pitch funnel. So the Bugs 8 is a pretty sporty flyer. Definitely as much fun as the Bugs 3, I would say. Really the only difference is the form factor, I guess. I don't know which one has the more powerful motors, this or the Bugs 3. The Bugs 6 has the same motors as this Bugs 8 does. Apparently it has a different accelerometer or something, or the programming is different though, because I was having a hard time trying to get the Bugs 3 to do a manual flip, and I was unsuccessful. So she's banking, she's doing all types of turns. It seems like the accelerometer gets dizzy when you do a manual flip, but when you're doing a bunch of funnels and banking turns and stuff, the accelerometer is okay. Fast forward flight into a funnel turn and all, she's okay with that. This is a fully charged battery too. Let's bring her in, look at her. She's staring us down. Let me fly her up high. We are losing the light, losing the sun, so maybe you guys can't really see when I'm flying at eye level. So I'm going to try to keep her up in the air for the rest of the flight. She's beeping. How cool is that, guys? I don't remember if the Bug 6 does this. I think it does, though. So this thing has a buzzer on it. So let's bring her down for a landing. And she can land in grass too, and take off in grass because of these longer landing gear that she have on her. So pretty awesome. The Bugs 8 has a buzzer. I'm pretty sure the Bug 6 has a buzzer too. Essentially the same thing. The Bugs 8, guys. Thanks for watching.